What's up today, guys? It's going to be a little bit shorter video because we were just giving a 6-month review actually, of the 3M headlight restoration. So I haven't cleaned these and I've been daily driving it, so it's got some bug guts on here and whatnot, but they really are fairly clean still. You can see certain parts are a little bit better than others, but that's mostly because there's, I haven't washed them in a bit. They're still doing good. They're not getting hazy, but they look good. This side still looks really good. It's not hazed any at all. Still has those weird wrinkles right here, but I think that's plastic deformation. I don't know that you guys can see that. Again, this side has bug guts as well, so you can kind of see it in that area below my thumb, but yeah, all in all, I think that 3M kit's doing pretty good. Again, this is the 6-month review. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. Stay tuned for more.